Hello everybody, this video is going to talk about the logistic structure of the plastic straw business and some of the information system applied to this supply chain, and finally discussing some of the challenges that these businesses are currently facing. First, I'm going to talk about the supply chain model of plastic straw. This process involves 6 steps. The first step is to acquire raw material for the production. In this step, the procurement manager must carefully calculate and estimate the amount of raw materials needed to purchase in accordance to the orders for plastic straws. In this case, the most important components to acquire is polypropylene, carbon, and other additives. The second step is to send the raw materials to the factory for production. This is when the plastic resin and other components are mixed together. The mixture is then extruded in a tube shape. The straw may undergo subsequent specialized operation before the next step. Step 3. The straw would undergo a manual collection and checking, then they are bundled up and put into packages. Step 4. Prepare for transportation such as trucks or container to deliver the straw to the warehouse or wholesaler. Step 5. The straw would be delivered to retailers such as street vendor, juice bar, tea shop, coffee shop, food joints, restaurant, hotels. Step 6. The final product would be at reach of the consumer as the final user. Every single supply chain would involve the help of some information system in order to regulate and control the business activities. There are 4 main systems that I'm going to discuss of. First is the office automation system. In this system, the spreadsheet is at most used, and they are helpful for the storage of organizational data, such as the financial data or even the name of the distributor, retailers, or even material supplier. And some of the machinery information could also be stored in this particular application. Secondly is a communication system. Some of the major applications are the monitor, computer, emails, or even phone. And these informational gadgets are helping the workers to share and update information between each other, and also to facilitate interaction and communication between the business and the workers, and also to the customers. Now, the office automation system and the communication system are utilized throughout the whole supply chain model of the straw business. As for the transportation management system, is only used from the step number 2 to step number 6 in the supply chain model, and this system helps to automate the process of building order, tendering load, and tracking shipment. Last but not least is the warehouse management system, which can only be used in step number 4 of the supply chain model. To control this warehouse management helps to control the storage and flow of inventories of the business. In the upcoming decades, there's going to be a lot of problem occurred to the plastic straw business. Significantly is the impossibility to process a reverse logistic on the plastic straw, as they are claimed to be very difficult to recycle and are not biodegradable and never fully degraded. As a result, these straw are creating a lot of pollution to the environment. Currently, there are a lot of solutions taking place to reduce the consumption of plastic straw, such as raising the public awareness through social campaigns, or having well-known retailers such as Starbucks or Coca-Cola to make public commitment of not selling plastic straw. However, with the reduction of consumption, the manufacturer would be at risk of lower their profit, or even worse, winding down. Now, let's just assume that all of this manufacturer would modify their supply chain and turning and substitute the plastic straw to a paper straw, which is more environmentally friendly to the earth. But looking in terms of the cost, the production cost of the plastic straw are much cheaper than the production cost of the paper straw, which could be translated to the price tag and discourage consumption of the paper straw. So that's the whole overall challenges of the plastic straw industry. Thank you for listening.